Are you looking for a simple natural remedy to boost your immunity, improve digestion and fight inflammation? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you how to prepare a powerful herbal drink using turmeric, garlic and ginger, and explain all the amazing health benefits it offers. Let's start by making this incredible health-boosting drink. Here's what you'll need. 1 portion of turmeric, 1 portion of garlic, 1 portion of ginger, 2 cups of water, and a pinch of black pepper. First, chop the garlic and ginger into small pieces. This helps release their natural compounds for maximum benefits. Next, add all the ingredients to a pot of water and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for 10 minutes until the water reduces by 1/3. Finally, add a pinch of black pepper to enhance the absorption of turmeric's powerful compound, curcumin. Now let's talk about why this drink is a game changer for your health. It boosts immunity, protects your body from infections, and strengthens your immune system. It aids digestion by reducing bloating, preventing acid reflux, and supporting gut health. It fights inflammation, helping with arthritis, joint pain, and chronic conditions. It supports heart health by lowering cholesterol and improving blood circulation. It regulates blood sugar, helping manage blood sugar levels naturally. It detoxifies the body, flushing out toxins and improving liver function. It enhances brain function, boosting memory, focus, and preventing cognitive decline. It aids in weight loss by increasing metabolism and reducing cravings. It fights infections with its natural antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. And it promotes glowing skin by reducing acne, blemishes, and slowing down aging. To get the best results, drink this every morning on an empty stomach. While this drink is safe for most people, here are some precautions to keep in mind. If you are on blood-thinning medication, consult your doctor before drinking this regularly. If you have gastric ulcers or acid reflux, start with a small dose. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should seek medical advice. This simple herbal drink is a natural powerhouse for your health. When taken consistently, it can transform your well-being from the inside out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a health tip. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.